Welcome to 1309 Summerhill Lane in Gladwyne, PA. This home is one of the most coveted in the Fenimore community. An exclusive black label listing. And get ready, myself and my partner will be taking you on a tour.
Welcome. Let's go check out this custom-built home. This is a serious entertainer space.
It sure is. Wanna join me?
Let's go.
All right. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in,
There's an old man sitting next to me.
making love to his tonic and gin. Man, this is a great view. Kind of reminds me of the hills of Aspen.
More like the hills of Gladwyne, but...
What?
And what's better, the entire exterior of this home was designed to be essentially maintenance-free. So you have a synthetic wood deck, which requires little to no upkeep, concrete siding, all vinyl-clad windows. There is nothing to do here but enjoy your home.
Well, thank you for taking the tour with us.
You can also go to 1309summerhill.com, where you'll get additional photos and property information on this incredible custom-built stone colonial.
You'll get all the fun facts, and again, it's an exclusive black label listing.
Ready for the next buyer.